Hi there, it's Mark Carlson here. So this week's video, how can you heal your money issues with using Ho'oponopono? Ho'oponopono is from the Ho'oponopono Indians that basically are saying that life on the outside is reflecting everything that we are. Everything that we experience with other people, with everything everywhere, is happening on our inside. So if we've got an issue with anything in the material world, the issue is going on inside of us. And so if we heal that issue inside of us, the challenge that we experience or the blockage on the outside opens. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about how we can use that to open the avenue of money flowing back into your life using this very simple technique. So firstly, we've got to understand how the Ho'oponopono works. It's so simple, right? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. And remembering that when you're saying, I'm sorry, you're saying sorry to the unconscious part of you, because in the case of not having money flowing into your life, for example, you've got a disharmonious energy inside of you. That's why the blockage is on the outside. So what you're saying sorry to is that your unconscious has had to carry this disharmonious energy for this long. So I'm sorry to the unconscious. Please forgive me. I also start by making sure my unconscious knows what I'm working on. So this is to unblock issues around money for me. This is to unblock the avenue where money can come to me. This is to unblock the blockages or the challenges around money. I'll start by saying that just once, and then I'll say, I'm sorry, knowing that I'm saying it to my unconscious. Please forgive me, because I was unaware, right? I'm asking for forgiveness. I was unaware that you were having to carry this. I didn't realize until now that's what was going on. The truth is, I love you. Thank you, right? But you don't have to say all of those things to the unconscious. You just need to know that that's where it's going. So you're saying, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. And when you're doing any form of affirmation or declaration, you have to say it thousands of times for the unconscious to get it, because the way things are because things have been imprinted into your system thousands of times so that you do life the way you do it. So to change it, you've got to say it over and over and over again. So I recommend spending a specific amount of time where you dedicate it for that. It might be 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes where you're simply saying over and over again, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. And occasionally saying, this is around my issues and my blockages around money. How simple is that? You keep doing it, you theme it. So that means you keep doing it until it's over, until the blockage is no longer there, until the challenge is gone and money starts to come in. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. Have an absolutely fantastic day when you watch this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you again next time. Thank you.